In front of me is TCL 30, and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial numbers. So at first open your phone dialer, then go to keypad and enter a secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. And here you've got device info with both numbers included. Tap on OK to close it. And then you can also find those numbers via settings. To do it, just open the settings, then find and select About Phone. So okay, let's open System and then reach About Phone. It's hidden right here. And now scroll a bit lower under Status. You will be able to read your IMEI numbers, both right here. And then a bit lower, you've got a serial number as well. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.